Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I am here with an unboxing, and this is the Owlcrate. I think it's the August Owlcrate, but we're gonna open it to find out. So this is the spoiler card, and it is August 2020. So this one is the Written in the Stars. We're just gonna sit that over here. There are a lot of squigglies that I don't want to clean up later, so I'm like, let me do this. Okay. First thing is this. I think I heard like a twinkling sound. So, the back always gives spoilers, so I'm trying to avoid that too. Ooh! Are these thumbtacks? I think they're thumbtacks. They're thumbtacks in a little cork container. We're getting a lot of office supplies from Owlcrate lately. I mean, I have a little cork board, so this will be cute, but I'm more fascinated by the cute little star-shaped container than anything. So it says, "We are made of star stuff. 250-piece metallic push pin." Okay, I'm gonna put that in the box because the cork on the top is kind of loose. Let's see what's next. The next thing is this. Okay, it's not a seal. Ooh, it's this pen. It's a star-shaped pen. I don't know if it writes well. Obviously, if it doesn't, y'all will know because I'll put it on the screen. But it's a metallic pen. It looks like a ballpoint pen. Do I have anything I can write on? Oh, the box. Ooh, it's black ink, and so far it's writing very well. I do like me a good pen, and I don't think I've ever gotten. Have I ever gotten a pen that I liked from a sub box? I'm not sure, but I do like this one. The next thing is this, and it says Dreamer Bandana Scarf. So just a bandana. Yeah, it's just a bandana that she just folded, and it says, yeah, you can see it. It says, "The dream chooses the dreamer." Obviously, this is a Strange the Dreamer reference. I can tell by the dragonfly design, or by the design. I'm guessing that this is a Strange the Dreamer thing. It's a silk one, or rather, I don't know if it's fully silk, but it feels soft, so it might be that good old imitation. I do like it though. Hold on, I want to fold it back. The next thing that we got, which I don't think I've ever gotten in a subscription box, is a clipboard. It's a very flimsy one. I think it's like a plexiglass, like an acrylic, and it says, "You shine brighter than any constellation in the sky." Now, I do like the color. I like the idea. But because the clipboard is so small, I don't really know what I'm going to use it for. Unless they give us a notebook, I don't know what I'm going to use this clipboard for. The next thing, oh, this is pretty. The next thing is a book sleeve. It's one of the ones that doesn't have a fastener or anything at the top. And it's kind of soft. And it says, "We are all stardust and stories." So I do like this. You know, I like a good book cover. It's great for traveling. And then I also unboxed the monthly enamel pin. I'm glad that they're still doing a monthly enamel pin. One day I want Melanin Eclectic to design an enamel pin for Owlcrate. Oh, it's got glitter in it. Okay, so it's a hard enamel silver glitter pin. And it's like a lotus with a planet on the inside. I'm going to try to make the camera focus. So let's see. So that's what it looks like, and it's got glitter on it, and if I turn it too fast, the camera will freak out. But yeah, that looks so cute. That's pretty. I am pulling out the book, and I was trying to keep all the frilly papers in the box when I noticed that it's got purple edges, which I just need to show y'all. This is the book. Star Daughter with the Owlcrate. Like, the original Star Daughter cover is freaking gorgeous. Like, stunning. But I am so glad I have the Owlcrate version because it is purple. Oh my gosh. It's Star Daughter by Shveta Thakrar. I can never say the name correctly. I apologize. I know I jacked it up. Oh my gosh. I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am that I have this book. And not only that, but I have the purple version of this book. Holy cookie crumbles. This is so exciting. Look at the purple. Okay, so for those who don't know what Star Daughter is, I'm going to just give you a brief synopsis. It says, if the night sky holds many secrets, it holds Chatelle Mystery's secret the closest. A secret that explains why her hair is the silver of starlight and why on some nights the stars call Chatelle by name. Stars like her mother, who returned to her place in the constellation Pusha years ago. Since that day, Chatelle has been forced to hide. But as her 17th birthday draws near, the pull from the sky is growing stronger. So strong that Chatelle loses control, and a flare of starfire burns her human father, an injury only a full star's blood can heal. Chatelle has no choice but to answer the star song and ascend to the sky. But her celestial family has summoned her for a reason, to act as their human champion in a competition to decide the next ruling house of the heavens. Desperate to save her father, Chatelle agrees, but nothing could have prepared Chatelle to face the stars' dark history or the forces that are working to shut the gate between the realms for good. I am very excited to add this to my collection. I think the whole story is very cute. But I cannot stress to you guys, like, if you ever look at the original cover of Star Daughter, I'll try to include it, like, right here. So, like, if you look at the difference, I still think the original one is gorgeous. But this one is all purple. I can't get over this. Let me see if there's anything left in the box so I can go back to gushing. Yeah, cool. Let's see. Let's look at the spoiler card. So, again, I personally, receiving like office supplies and stuff like that in these boxes, I'm a little, like, I always kind of side eye because I know how much bulk cost of like getting like push pins and things. So obviously this was my least favorite product of the whole thing. Am I going to use it in my office? Yes. But it wasn't anything special. Like, I actually think I'm going to use this container for something else, or maybe like make like a potion to put on my potion shelf in here. Maybe that's what I'll do, is reuse the container, because I just don't need 250 push pins. And then it just doesn't fit a book box for me, but it's fine. It's from Team Owlcrate. Fern and Ink did the Strange the Dreamer bandana. The Metal Star Pen is Team Owlcrate. The Starless Sea is the inspiration for the book sleeve. And I haven't read that one yet. It's from Quirky Cup Collective. Then Daphne Sabane designed the Aurora Rising inspired clipboard. Again, I think it's pretty, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for because it's also very small. And then again, I'm really happy with this book because it is Hindu mythology. Like, we got one book earlier this year from Owlcrate that was Persian mythology. So now I have Hindu mythology. And at this point, I just want to collect all the mythologies and just read them like that. I can't get over the sprayed edges. The enamel pin was made by Band of Weirdos. And it says, drew inspiration from the lotus flower used to reach the stars in Star Daughter. Bonus element, the moon nestled within the flower's petal glows in the dark. All right, note to self, Melanin Eclectic, we need glow-in-the-dark pins. Can I? Oh, I can actually see it. Oh my gosh, it glows green. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Like, this is such a well thought out pin. Okay, clearly these two are my favorite things. Wow. Cool. Okay. Next month's theme is Glorious Haunting. for September. And it says, every September box will include a cozy throw blanket designed by Michelle Gray. Okay. I mean, I literally have the throw blanket that's in this photo. I have it like right down here in my library. I haven't bought a container to hold throw blankets for the library yet. But that one's still here, so I wonder what color it's going to be, because it was really pretty last year. So, yeah, that is the unboxing. My question to you guys, what was your favorite? Obviously, I was going to say that compared to the last box, this one was better, but I forgot Fairy Loot was actually July, not August. So, I can't really make that comparison, but I'll let you know. Right now, I really liked some of the items in this box, but not all. My question to you guys is, which one did you like the best? Let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. And until the next time, guys, bye.